Sawadika, I am Phoo, and today I am at Asok Montri Road. This is a really busy road, and I will show you guys in here what is in here. Yeah. Actually, I want to show you guys a room from this former exclusive hotel. Unfortunately, they don't like us to film in the hotel. So I'm sorry guys, I try. Yeah. Let's find another place. Oh guys, this is a cafe shop, and the price is only 50 a pet, almost $1.5. This is a really reasonable price to this Bangkok. Yeah. Oh, this is a massage place, and here foot massage 290 baht, your foot massage, flat harbor hall complex, and food scrub too. Yeah, this is a really common in Thailand, and I have to try foot massage in Thailand once too. Yeah. Okay. Oh guys, look at this. This is a Chef's Chinese restaurant, and I know you guys don't like this kind of restaurants, so I respect your opinion, and I wanna try inside. So let's go. This is a Japanese restaurant, and I like the decorations, and it's like not ninja. And we can get sushis and sashimis in here. Yeah, many kind of Japanese food. Oh, this is another Japanese restaurant called Go Curry, and I will try in it, and I'm so excited. So let's go. Now I am inside of the restaurant, and here is the really interesting challenge. Is the food, and it is the food competition, and if you finish 2 kg you will get free, and if you finish 4 kg you will get a mystery prize, and if you finish 6 kg you will get 10,000 baht, and if you finish 8 kg you will get 20,000 baht. If you finish 10 kg you will get 1,400 baht, and it's almost $1,200. Yeah, $1,200. And I don't think I can eat it. Do you see the picture? I think the people are winning the challenge. Yeah, here. Oh my god, I can't believe they can eat it. This so much amount. Oh. Here is my challenge. It's a really small challenge, and this is chicken curry and rice. This is miso soup. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Oh my god, that looks so yummy. Let's see. This is so delicious. This chicken curry is not like the other curry. Yeah. Okay, I will try this miso soup. The two is really matching for me. Now I will try rice and curry together. Ta-da! I like the warm rice. So this small size is 160 baht. So it's around $5. Yeah, it's a reasonable price. Oh, I'm really full right now. So let's drink beer. Cheers! And sometimes I like to drink cocktail, some wine, and also beer. But I prefer fruit cocktails, and I don't like tequila because it's really make me dizzy, right? That's why I prefer fruit cocktails, and I like to drink this kind of beer. Yeah, I can drink only 2 glasses of beers, and because I feel tipsy after drinking 2 glasses. So how many glasses do you drink? And comment below it. I wanna know. Okay. This is a Japanese noodle restaurant, but they closed now. Okay guys, I will stop my video here. Today I am explore at Asok Montri Road, and hope you guys enjoy my video. If you want to know about the beginnings of this video, you will watch our sister channel Isli Yango. And see you guys. Bye bye.